You start.
All right, mate. Bermondsey, is it? No problem. Everyone's meant to be drunk. We're drunk, they're drunk.
Large purple box.
Which was about diagnosing a condition commonly known as
shifty. Shifty kneecaps. Quick.
Sweets.
Oh,
The sweet. They've been there for 75 years.
To be
Or not to be.
And get round.
Yeah.
larger fish.
By a larger fish. It seems like I've been drinking, but I can assure you I've not. I would take my job very seriously.
I'm just writing live. Can do.
Yeah. You see and meet people and
To be the shitter the better.
the shit in the better. Charles, you haven't had any wine.
Run out. That
Virginity, like all talk, but actually no.
fucking
Bananas? What's the word? What's the phrase? All talk, no bananas.
all talk, no trousers. All bark, no trousers.
That's it. All bark, no bananas. Because it doesn't sound like we're drunk. It just sounds like we're writing a fantastic monologue.
Too much of it. We're at too much of. I can't speak. We're at too much of an advantage.
Yeah. So, what's the story about again?
It's not a unicorn. It's not worth knowing about.
But it's just some words that came to me from the future.
Whoa. Our connection is unstable.
Oh, tell me about it. We must be nearly there now.
Fucking hope so.
Never get the good old animals anymore, do you? Like a weasel. You know, there's never any like animals of farthing wood. Those are some classic animals.
They were so good.
I like the
Quite a moving soundtrack, actually.
is it? I forgot. I've got some nice Greek salad here that I'm just eating.
Oh, lovely.
Grab and jab.
Grab
is,
and jab. Grab and jab.
Double number. Grab and jab.
Grab and jab.
Grab and jab.
Grab and jab.
Jab. Grab and jab.
For, the honour of King, me,
Yeah.
and country,
Yeah.
this. So, Nick can be an affectionate term.
It can be. So
Put two and two together and make sunk, then so very fucking overreacting.
like, what kind of world do you want to live in? Do you want to live in a place where you can call people's pigs?
Just a really steamy game of croquet,
Yeah.
And the mess.
Mess. It's a messy mess, isn't it, lads?
A hot mess.
A hot mess. Oh, really? Maybe we should wrap it up and then I think that's it. I think we've nailed it there. What about that? What about that?
Well, out there. Looking at that. Better that than your monologue pipe. Smoke it.